Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes, and today we are going to see if we can brighten this up. So what this is a radiator coolant spare tank or overflow tank, and if you look at your car and your car has been more than 3 years, it's most likely yellowish or dirty. If you don't use coolant, it's most likely rusty. So let's see how we can try to restore this back to almost brand new or probably brand new. So for this experiment, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to submerge this in water with bleach. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so I try to submerge it as much as possible and remove all the air bubbles. And we'll be using this chloro cap because it's the cheapest I can find. And we're gonna add just a pinch of it. Just a pinch of it. Okay, and we'll come back in 2 hours. Okay, guess what? I actually totally forgot about this project, and this has been sitting inside this bucket for the last 7 or 8 days. Yeah, if you still remember, or you guys probably remember because it's only a couple of seconds ago in this video, I used bleach Clorox on the plastic. So see on this, let's take care and have a look. This thing, the water ain't coming out quick. Okay, seems like only part of it has turned white here, but it's most likely because it's white from the beginning. Okay, so not very successful. So what I'll do is I'll dump this bleach water, and what I will do now is I will use hydrogen peroxide. Okay, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'll mix the hydrogen peroxide with water, and then what I'll do is I will put it under the sun for maybe a day or two, or probably I'll forget and have this outside for 7 days. I don't know. Alright, so let's see how it goes. Alright, as expected, I sort of forgot about this bucket here, and it's been left outside here for the last 1 week. So let's take it out and see how it goes. Alright, so you can see there's a lot of bubbles from the hydrogen peroxide. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so from the looks of it, the yellowing did not go away. Yeah, the yellowing did not go away at all. So the dirt probably just need a little bit of scrubbing, but the yellowing does not go away. So from this experiment, we know bleach and hydrogen peroxide does not do no shit about the yellowing. Okay, so this is the fate that awaits this. Anyway, see ya. Well, it was already replaced previously, so doesn't really matter.